Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to deposit a check on Chase Bank. First thing I want you to do is launch up the Chase app, come here to the bottom and click on Pay and Transfer, and then from here you can click on Deposit Checks. Click on that, and then now you need to choose an account you want to deposit your check into. Let's say you want to deposit it into this account. You can choose that one, for example, enter the amount you want to deposit, and then you will need to go ahead and take photos of front and back of the check. Now this deposit amount needs to match with whatever amount is written on that check. So take the photo front and back, and then you just go ahead and deposit the amount right here using the check. Go ahead and do that. It'll give you this confirmation. Say yes, and then it'll go ahead and process that and received the check. There you go. Really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button, and you can also subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.